Hello everyone, my name's Cameron and I'm responsible for digital marketing here at Shelleys. And today I've got a brief, quick tutorial video just showing you how to use our online store, which we've set up with the intention of helping you, local businesses and shops, etc., get ready and get set for the new normal. And by doing that, using our print portal to buy social distancing signage, being floor stickers, banners and posters. So the name of the website is printportal.shelleys.co, and here's our homepage. Here's a selection of a couple of floor stickers. So we've got some strips here, some footprints. But to use this site, what you can do is go to Store and Social Distancing Store in our menu up there, and this will bring up the product page, showing you our social distancing signage. So here's a number of stickers and posters, and you're going to choose the item that you would like. So for this example we'll go for the 2 meter footprint social distancing stickers. Okay, these are coming in at £5 per unit plus VAT, and you can just select your, I've already got some items in my basket so I'll just remove those. You can select your quantity, so you may need to measure out the floor space in your establishment to decide how many stickers would be appropriate. You can then add these to your basket, and this will show your basket here. So you can then view your basket or you can check out, and I think in this occasion we'll just go straight through the checkout. And you don't need to be an account holder with us to access this site, although when it gets to this stage and you've added stuff to your basket and you're going to put in your billing and delivery information, we do ask you to create an account with us. But this transaction process is just like it would be on any other online shop. I'm sure you're all very familiar with that. So just putting the appropriate information for each step along the way, and that would be that, and that would be your transaction completed. So this was just a very quick video, like I said, just showing you how to access and use and navigate your way around our print portal or social distancing store in order to purchase the signage. So thank you very much for watching.